Hello everybody, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A70 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. First of all, locate the phone dialer app, that looks just like this. If you cannot find it on the home screen, just swipe down in order for the drawer to appear and find it right here. Then open it. Here at the top right corner, tap on these three dots, go for settings. At the settings, choose the caller ID and spam category, and in here, in order for us to filter spam calls, all that it's left to do is to turn on this switch, and that will mean that our system will prevent the suspected spam calls from disturbing us. And basically we have successfully avoided all the spam and robocalls, or, well, for the most part. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!